Welcome. In this video, we are going to discuss two questions. The first one is find the conditions so that vectors 5i cap plus 7j cap minus 3k cap and 2i cap minus bj cap plus ck cap may be parallel. The second one is if the vectors 3i cap minus 2j cap plus k cap and 2i cap plus 6j cap plus mk cap are perpendicular to each other, find the value of m. Now we start with the first one. The condition for the two vectors to be parallel. So what are parallel vectors and when two vectors can be parallel? Suppose we draw two vectors A, this one is A and this vector is B. These two vectors are having the different magnitude and different directions, so they have nothing in common. But if I draw two vectors, the A vector and this one is B vector. These two vectors have different magnitude, but the direction is same. So these vectors are parallel vectors. These vectors are parallel vectors. For example, if I say 3 kilometer south, this vector. If I say 9 kilometer south, it will have the same direction but different magnitude. So the direction is same, but the magnitude is different. The vectors will be this 9 kilometer south can be obtained by multiplying 3 kilometer south by a constant quantity or a scalar 3. What does it mean? It means if there is a vector when multiplied by a scalar quantity lambda and we get another vector, the two vectors will be parallel. Or you can say if a vector can be obtained by multiplying by a constant quantity with another vector, then these two vectors will be parallel. So if A equal to lambda V is satisfied, the A and B will be parallel vectors. What is A here? The A here can be had 5i cap plus 7j cap minus 3k cap. What is B vector? So B vector is 2i cap minus bj cap plus ck cap. So A equal to lambda B. So we'll put this A and B into the equation. So 5i cap plus 7j cap minus 3k cap equal to lambda, that is 2i cap minus bj cap plus ck cap. Multiply this lambda inside, 2 lambda I cap minus b lambda j cap plus c lambda k cap. 5i cap plus 7j cap minus 3k cap. We will move all the right hand side terms to the left hand side, that is 5i cap plus 7j cap minus 3k cap minus 2 lambda I cap plus b lambda j cap minus c lambda k cap equal to 0. It is not actually 0, it is 0 vector. So 5i cap minus 2 lambda I cap, that is 5 minus 2 lambda I cap. 7j cap plus b lambda j cap, that is plus 7 plus b lambda j cap plus minus 3 minus c lambda k cap, and 0 vector is actually 0 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 0 k cap. So what is this? Now we compare the components of I, j and k of the both sides. Here it is 0, 0, 0. That means the 5 minus 2 lambda will be equal to 0. Here 7 plus b lambda will also be 0. And also minus 3 minus c lambda will also be 0. With this we can have the lambda equal to 5 by 2. We put lambda here. That means 7 plus b into 5 by 2 equal to 0. So b will be equal to minus 7 into 2 upon 5 or minus 14 upon 5. Here minus 3 minus c into lambda is 5 by 2 equal to 0. That means c equal to minus 3 into 2 upon 5, that is minus 6 upon 5. So if b equal to minus 14 upon 5 and c equal to minus 16 upon 5, then these two vectors will be parallel. So these two vectors will be parallel if b equal to minus 14 upon 5 and c equal to minus 6 upon 5. Now we will take the second question. What is second question? Second question is this one. We can move the question. We have moved the question here. If the vectors 3i cap minus 2j cap plus k cap and 2i cap plus 6j cap plus mk cap are perpendicular to each other, find the value of m. The two vectors will be perpendicular. That means the angle between these two vectors is 90 degree. And cos 90 equal to 0. So we will show that the dot product of this one is 0. That means two vectors will be perpendicular if a dot b equal to 0, because a dot b ab cos theta and cos theta is cos 90, that is 0. What is a? A here is, so a here is 3i cap minus 2j cap plus k cap, and b here is how much? 2i cap plus 6j cap plus mk cap. So a dot b. What is a dot b? A dot b. A dot b equal to, this I dot I will be 0. So a dot b equal to 3i cap minus 2j cap plus k cap dot 2i cap plus 6j cap plus mk cap. So I dot I will be 1 and I dot j, I dot k else will be 0. That means it will be 3 into 2 minus 2 into 6 plus 1 into m. And that will be equal to how much? 0. It will be 0. That means 6 minus 12 plus m equal to 0. Or you can say minus 6 plus m equal to 0. So m equal to 6. So when m equal to 6, these two vectors are perpendicular. The notes in the PDF form can be found in the description. Thank you.